All this talk of maybe normalizing or reopening the strait, lower oil prices, etc. Big day on Wall Street. Investors love to hear it. The Dow and the S&P all-time highs, right? Huge. Look at these numbers. The Dow up something like 900 points. S&P, NASDAQ up to green across the board. It's not just what's happening overseas, by the way. You had some strong numbers from companies here at home that helped drive this whole thing. Let me bring in Allie Canal, who's joining us now. Obviously, talks with Iran is part of this. There's some other stuff, too. Help us understand it.
Yeah, there are really two themes today, Hallie. Like you said, investors had one eye trained on these Middle East developments and another on corporate earnings because we are in the middle of earnings season. And a big theme today was that tech resilience continues here. And we had some pretty notable results over the past 24 hours. I want to call out Palantir. That's the defense contractor heavily focused on AI. Blowout quarter for Palantir, and that helped lift chip stocks across the board. And then that lifted the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite. And like you said, a record high for the S&P 500, a back-to-back record close for the Dow. Caterpillar, that machine giant, helping lift the Dow after that company said the build-out of AI data centers is fueling demand for its equipment. So we're starting to see a lot of the ripple effects when we look at AI. And speaking of some of those ripple effects, we just heard from SpaceX very recently, and that company beating revenue expectations, posting a narrower than expected loss. However, SpaceX is spending pretty heavily on AI, and the stock is getting punished in after-hours trading. And in just a couple days, the lockup period is going to expire. So those insiders, people who work at the company, they're going to be able to sell their shares. So that could be another headwind for this stock that has just, been pretty much in free fall since that public debut. But then outside of corporate earnings, we obviously have everything going on in the Middle East. Crude oil prices falling about 6% today, trading around $75 a barrel. If that continues, that would be a good thing when we think about gas prices. But the supply of crude, the amount of oil that's available on the markets, that's a big story to continue to follow because the U.S. and other countries have drawn from their reserves. And you don't just have the Iran war, you have everything going on with Russia and Ukraine as well. So still a lot to come there. And I do expect more volatility in oil markets ahead.
Allie Canal, thank you very much for that. Appreciate it.
We thank you for watching. And remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.